this video, I'll demonstrate how to make a cup of coffee using my Yami 5-cup vacuum coffee brewer. Grind the coffee, not quite espresso fine, but finer than drip. Put the water in the bottom pot. Heat the water to a gentle boil. And let it rise to the top pot. After all the water is evacuated the bottom pot, or at least as much as will be evacuated, there'll be a small amount left in the bottom. As the coffee's in the top chamber, the heat is boiling that little amount of water and creating pressure, which keeps the water in the top pot from flowing back into the lower pot prematurely. There, all the water's in the top pot. Put the coffee in the top pot. Give it a vigorous stir to saturate all the grounds. Now we wait 90 seconds. Seems like it takes forever, but 90 seconds is really quick. End of 90 seconds, give it one more stir. Remove the heat source and wait as the coffee in the top pot settles into the bottom pot. This is the fun part. Kids in the neighborhood seem to think this is magic. By the way, I use about 26 grams of coffee for 1 cup of vacuum pot brewing. It's a little stronger than I would use for drip, but it's not in contact with the water all that long, so you need it a little bit stronger to start with. When all of the water has been evacuated from the top pot, there'll be a big gurgle of air. At that point, you've extracted all the coffee from the grounds and the water is back. There you see it. You remove the top pot and be very careful. This is hot. Place it in the holder. Now all that's left, pour your coffee into your favorite cup and enjoy. It's really that simple. Thank you for watching this video. Good day.